What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In the background I have my Audi Q7, which you guys know I'm trying to sell. So I'm gonna do a few episodes, where I look at some vehicles because I'm selling my Audi Q7. I know a lot of you guys might be asking the question. I asked the question myself, what would I replace my Audi Q7 with? Because it's such a nice car and it's hard to really think, what do I replace it with? So what I'm gonna do like maybe 6 different episodes, maybe look at 6 different vehicles, and then we can have an idea, of what is out there, what is a good replacement, what could I use. This is not me saying I'm gonna buy a car, or I'm not committing to buying a car or anything like that. It's just a video showing the options, what is out there. If this gets sold, what could I replace it with? That's all I'm gonna do in this video. But you guys know my car already. I never remember the color. I don't know if it's blue or green, but I'd say blue because the interior is blue. So I would say it's a blue car. Put that down. Beautiful blue interior. Yeah. Open the back door lock. Let's open it. Beautiful interior. I have some stuff in there. It's a car that is being used, so yeah. 22-inch rims to match the color, and like I said, nice smell, nice. Smells good. So I'm gonna grab the wife, grab the kids from school, then we're gonna head to the first stop to look at our first car. So don't go anywhere guys. Our first stop is going to be Audi for sure, because coming out of an Audi, you have to consider going back into an Audi, because let me put it this way, after you drive an Audi you get spoiled, because when it comes to comfort, speed, well, let me say performance, luxury, Audi tick all the boxes. So it's kind of hard, not to look at Audi first. So we're going to look at Audi first. Not saying that Audi is the first choice. We're just going to look at Audi, and then we look at other vehicles. But today Audi is the first person that gave me an offer, so I have to give them the chance to show me what they have to offer. And then obviously it would have to be another Q7. It cannot be a 5-seater. It has to be a bigger vehicle like the Q7. Alright, so let's go take a look. The family is here, the boys, got the boys from school. Everybody's here to look. And I know Kia has this electric SUV that I like. We're gonna see if that one could be an option as well. Nice vehicle. I think this is electric. Yeah, it's electric, but a little small. Got some Audis?
Yeah!
Yeah?
Wait, we went here before.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah. We've been here a lot of times.
Yes,
This is where we bought our Audi.
yes, this is where we bought our Audi.
Like the green.
Mommy. Yes. Where that
The green.
lipstick?
Like the green.
I guess it's because we have another
Daddy.
car seat.
Huh?
Daddy, yes,
I don't mind that
it is.
size, but I guess we have another car
Hey,
seat.
Oh, and then we have another baby, so that size is not gonna work. Been in. I guess it's that one. More sure. The white one. Oh, God. Eh?
I don't know if I should smile to the camera.
Why not? Why not? Why not?
Should I run?
Why not?
Should I hide from the camera or run from the
I
camera?
have no idea. I don't think you should run.
Don't think I
Sales, come by. I know that one.
Oh, that's the
Q5?
Q5. Hmm?
Like how
A little vehicle, I look on the, supposed to look on the big vehicle.
not interested.
This one you want to show?
Yes.
Well, this is something I like already, the interior. And it comes with sun. This one has sunroof. Wow. Beautiful. This is beautiful, man. Man. This one have the panoramic roof.
Oh, Daddy, look.
This one beautiful though.
Daddy,
Beautiful.
look
Alright,
over
this.
there.
Oh, that's the S line. So this is the same power plant as mine.
Same platform, same everything. It's just
Okay, just newer.
Newer here. Just a newer here.
So you got in the back, she have to sit in the back with the baby. The baby seat over there. And white. So it does have the S package. Oh, what's this? What is?
That's the roof frame. So that's
Oh, the roof.
That's what the car.
Oh.
Anything on the back?
Oh, and then some there. So it has something with my one don't have. I don't have
That's
this.
where the one the cargo.
Yeah, I don't have this.
Cargo. Outside of that, it's pretty much the same.
Yeah. And they not change on the interior.
Nothing changes on the interior.
Daddy, have we seen sunroof?
That's sunroof now. Wait, Asafa, wait. Let me check it out, please. Well, nice. I mean, it's the same exact interior. Just this is red instead of blue, and this one has the sunroof. So it's the sunroof, which not very important, but
Mommy, I can.
yeah, sunroof is not that important because I don't really use sunroof that much. But it would be nice to have. I guess once I have it, I will use it. You know what I mean? Because the place so hot, I don't even care about sunroof. But I realized when I had the BMW the other day, I took off the roof like in the evening and stuff. And then when I get to like the stoplights, I would put up the roof. And then when I'm driving, but Sundays it's a nice drive because the road is not so crowded and stuff like that. But the only difference is the interior and the sunroof. That's the only difference. This have the shade. This have this too. Mine don't have this. Yeah. Yeah, mine. Yeah, block the sun
We
from the
always
baby.
have to buy one, so that's perfect.
Nice. That's the option. You know what I mean? Beautiful car. Lovely. I love the color. Love the interior. The interior matching. And then I could run it on those wheels for a while and not change them, but beautiful car. Like I said, Kia has something over there. We're gonna walk over there. It's just next door, literally next door. Like that's Kia right there. Literally. True that I've reached a Kia, so we're gonna head over there to look at that one over there.
Asafa.
Well going, General.
Doing.
Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. I see the other day, one Kia nearly run me off of the road, you know. A black one, a big electric one. EV9. Yeah, man. You have any? Any can look on?
Probably have one on the property now. Let me see if Kevin down with it.
Alright. So the car is not here, so I'm going to arrange for another day, right?
Yes, man. Next week, man.
Next week. Alright, next week we come check it out. And boy, I get excited. Relax now, relax. Zin, we're in public now. There are cars coming, just relax. Please, take on the time.
They can help themselves. We just heard their grandparents were winning at sports day parents race.
You want us to sell our one and buy that one? Huh? Yeah?
It has a top roof.
You like the top, you like the sunroof. No chest high. Huh? Chest high.
That one, the white one is taller than that.
No, it's the same one.
The same height.
Yeah, same height. It's just the sunroof.
What?
And it has the sunshade in the glass. You want to drive this?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. That's the first car down. We have a few more to go. And remember, guys, this is not a comparison video. I'm not comparing the cars because it's hard to compare, you know, a German vehicle. The German quality is way different, you know, from other qualities. So I'm not comparing, you know what I mean? All the cars are real that I'm going to look at are all good cars. You know what I mean? Some are higher end vehicle than, you know, higher end than some, you know, but they are still nice cars, you know. Some cars, like, they have different levels of luxury, you know what I mean? When you go into a Rolls Royce, different level of luxury. Going into a Maybach, different levels. All of them are different levels, different feels. So just checking out the cars. Let me know what you guys think. At the end of this whole thing, we want to do a grade and see, you know, which car come out on top and which car finish to the lower end. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.